Hi guys, so I was just getting ready for my yoga class, but I thought of telling you about my pre-workout routine. So I will talk about this wonderful product by MPIL Wellness. This is the Amastha Awaleha by MPIL Wellness. It is a natural ayurvedic remedy for respiratory care. And trust me, living in a city like Delhi, you definitely need this. It is made with 26 botanical herbs. And why I chose this product? Because it treats chronic bronchitis as well as other pollution induced problems. So you can have 1 or 2 teaspoons of it twice a day with lukewarm water to boost your immunity, or as advised by the physician. I personally love this product and I highly recommend this product. So you can visit their website and check out their other Ayurvedic products. These are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and more. So I'm going to the yoga class and you can order these products from any of these websites, and let's get healthier together.